Let's add flavor to our chicken fillet. I'm sure you'll like it. We start with 500 grams of chicken fillet. We'll cut it in half like this. Cover it with plastic wrap, and pound it with a mallet to make it tender. Prepare a bowl with some wheat flour, and coat the fillet on both sides. Then, prepare another bowl and beat 2 eggs. In the eggs, add salt and black pepper to taste, 50 grams of Parmesan cheese, and green onions to taste. Mix well. Now, coat the fillet on both sides. Once done, we move to the frying pan, where we will add a drizzle of olive oil, along with a tablespoon of butter. Place the chicken fillet and wait for it to fry. When it's golden on one side, flip it, and let it fry on the other. Fried, we remove and set it aside. Add 2 more tablespoons of butter to the same frying pan. Add 250 milliliters of dry white wine, and 115 milliliters of chicken broth. Stir. Add the juice of half a squeezed lemon, and green onions to taste. Mix well. Now, return the fillet and let it cook for 5 minutes to soak in this amazing sauce. Drizzle the fillet with the sauce, this will make all the difference, and wait for it to finish cooking. And it's ready. Breaded chicken cooked in wine sauce. Did you find it interesting? Tell us in the comments below. That's it for us. Leave your like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more. Comment below if you would do something different to make it to your liking. See you next time.